DJ Serge Vicious on the ones and twos.
Sub-Zero, test your might. Get over here!
DJ Serge Vicious.
You're in the mix with DJ Serge Vicious. Always nice. Always nice. Always nice.
Nice.
DJ Serge Vicious.
Warning. Warning. Warning.
Bow to me. Round one. Fight!
DJ Serge Vicious. Always nice.
Fatality. You lose.
DJ Serge Vicious.
Finisher. Shoryuken! Sonic boom! Sonic boom! Sonic boom! Get over here! Japan, Brazil, USA, China, USSR, India.
Nice.
Tiger uppercut!
Scorpion wins. Flawless victory fatality.
Stand by. Stand by. Stand by.
Always nice.
Shit, keep talking about that money, I'ma ha ha ha. Send a bitch home with him, let her tell us where to get him. Got the howlers in that Ruger. I'm looking at your chain, cause the diamonds look clearer than that water in Aruba. You ain't even gotta jack them, you barely need a gun. You can walk up and smack them, they so soft. Then you got the rats, that fast should be up north. Donnie on this bullshit, mask in a full clip. Hopping out that whip, I'ma ha ha ha. Lay him down on the floor, my man at the door. My other homie downstairs, hand on the floor. I ain't even gotta kill him, I'm just coming for that roll. I'm a yo, my daughter said stick him. Mama said stick him. My son said, daddy, if he move, I'ma lick him. My grandmother go to church to pray on my victim. She said, y'all know me. I'm a slim nigga from a large family. The burner get passed around the crew like a Grammy. My little man with autism, he looked at me and looked at Duke and said, why y'all looking at me? I hope he removed the body, but where we gon' ship him? Fuck it, I just draw a door to me duck. Tucked his jewels and said, shoot me, I'm not giving it up. Aw shit, it's gonna be a long day. Homemade has got enough mops for this hallway. The chrome still smell like Ajax. Rip the jewels off his neck like chill palm, relax. Understand it came through, see alarm ripped him. The doc had to staple his face, a straight victim. This how we do it on Staten. We hardly get caught with our hoodies off, let alone the ratchet. Yo, my daughter said stick him. Mama said stick him. My son said, daddy, if he move, I'ma lick him. My grandmother go to church to pray on my victim. She said,
yeah, get my hands on the hawk, I'm a AIDS needle, I'm a got the red nose off the leash and I can't wait to sick him. Usually make him take it off slow when I strip him. Probably better to kill him cause he can't take the whipping. Consider it charity, DVS clarity. The ARA is the Armed Robbers Academy. Just put it in the bag, I don't care, whatever, homes. The big shit all the way down to the herringbones. Credit cards, debit cards, everybody get it, God. Wedding bands, birthstones, camouflage, earth tones. Yeah, my cloth is cut different. It don't cost nothing to just listen, but if not, I'm a
yo, my daughter said stick him. Mama said stick him. My son said, daddy, if he move, I'ma lick him. My grandmother go to church to pray on my victim. She said, stick him. Glass house, I reside by the library. East LeRon frames, sipping Ciroc berry. Burning the big dust, sweet feet up. Long ashes hanging off the blunt, then I pluck. Fell back, power napping. Stones, they cover my bones. Bricks laying on my pinky like tombstones. Unbutton my shirt, unloosen my tie. Got the fireplace up real high. Cuban made slaughter me cookies. Chore glass lemonade. Chandeliers hanging over my head. Sitting like a cloud of haze. Larry King on mute. They about to bury Wesley for taxes. It shot across the tube. Then I grabbed the remote. Hit the volume on the big lion. The screen's in his mouth. A 90-inch giant. Want the commercial, the phone ring. Yo, what up, Sheik? Ain't nothing tone, just saw my dean. Out here in Queens, I bagged me a queen. Fed her all the shit she wanted to hear. She probably want the ring. True. time zones, that's all. I mean, I'm over here across seas, you over there in the States, you over there, but either way, we gotta get this money, fam. Yo, yeah. On the 10th floor, looking over Paris. My neighbors all embarrassed, cause I'm ass naked watching the clock. He hating, but his wife steady watching my cock. Different time zones, steering wheel on the right. Driving down the wrong street, thinking what the fuck I'm gonna eat tonight. White women laying in my bed. I should make a documentary on what race could give the best head. Ray hit me on the text, told me that he liked that new shit last night that he heard on Flex. Alright, cool, hit me up when you get down to Brazil. If the weather's right, fuck it, I come down and chill. I got a briefcase of euros and Indian money. Every time I'm in customs, they look at me funny. Shit.
I'm out in South Beach, 1st Street, Ocean Ave. AMG 6 with the oak dash. Live the VIP life, I ain't spend a clam. I get weighed on the spot, that's Instagrams. Pretty booze and Jimmy Choos with titties loose. In the mood, getting nude in the swimming pool. I'm doing my thing, have them reppin', they salute King. And they don't even know I'm Wu-Tang. Name heavy, phone call to my Ace Diego. For anything, what up man, connect me. I snatch bank like 456. Deuce high, watch a do ride. I'm on my shit, up in mansion, salute. World famous inspector, click large, homie, put some more tables together. Wild for the night, I ain't even think about my flight. I got some bitches in here tripping off that powder white.
Nice.
Hey yo, kiss each other y'all.
DJ Serge Vicious, always nice.
Queens is in the building, when niggas be chillin' at the round table building. My robberies and killings, man, they ran up in the spot. Knew the guap was in the ceiling. Saw niggas in the hood get down for the millions. They bust cats, some rap, some be dealing. But watch out for them thugs, you don't wanna fuck with them. Cause niggas real grimy, you have to fucking kill them. They living like life, just wipe this ass with them. Niggas strung out, have your gun out when you see them. The dude money hungry, you wouldn't wanna be him. He sticky for 500 and flip it to a G. Put dope in the bags and sell it in the streets. He known as a hustler. Watch it, he'll cut ya. Dig in your pockets, turn around and gun butt ya. Running game when your brain is street hustler. Shit, a bad motherfucker. I'm a natural born hustler. Coming from Queens, where we don't get caught up in between. Oh shit. Gotta hustle the hustle. Some hustlers, naturally born with street smarts. I'm a natural born hustler. My Queens stand. Represent to the fullest. Oh shit. Gotta hustle the hustle. Some hustlers, naturally born with street smarts.
Banging on them pads, hanging on them abs, raining on that ass, rip high to straight slash, my professional. Yeah, we still sparring in them vegetables, beating niggas, leaving them like garden vegetables. Trying to stay up while everybody doing bad, make a little lag, get low down like Boss Cash. There's too many brothers walking around getting smothered for their everyday wordplay game. I discovered knots of cash underneath lots of ash, where our forefathers used to fling rocks and flash for the cameras, like Bob Vila with the hammers. Too much beef, forget a motherfucker sandwich. From both ends with no folks and no friends. The pain to have them choking the box of Motrins, while I maintain on them blocks with oceans of love. Large pros still keeping it raw.
Get that money done. I'm a natural born hustler. Coming from Queens, where we don't get caught up in between. Oh shit. Gotta hustle the hustle. Some hustlers, naturally born with street smarts. I'm a natural born hustler. My Queens stand. Represent to the fullest. Oh shit. Gotta hustle the hustle. Some hustlers, some hustlers.
I'm from NY, but thorough niggas get that money. Call me the ventriloquist, the way I talk with the dummies. Dummy G ain't running no sideshow act. Think it's a game till I put one in your chest and make your eyes roll back. Reppin' Corona, Queens, Nova Boulevard. You can let your chrome scream or you can get bullet scar. You like Jukes Bay, here's nothing to pull a jar. Cause niggas know the shit come out that mat fully hard with no bar. Better take notice, you notice and learn to focus your hands. Niggas watching with time, niggas learning with line. You knowing how to design move. Real dirty with it. Niggas will leave your ass for somebody to find you. Here you get nowhere with all the frontin'. You either hustling up a mile a minute or shaking down something. Lean a shack body weight on the weighing down something. For real telling you boy, you better move with the function. Feel me?
I'm a natural born hustler. Coming from Queens, where we don't get caught up in between. Oh shit. Gotta hustle the hustle. Some hustlers, naturally born with street smarts. I'm a natural born hustler.
bullshit. Who is this? Spitting like he won with the pulpit. Charismatic, arrogant bastard, slick as a snake. Yeah, I'm laying in the bush, can't wait for you to overdose me. My fangs are sharp as hell, the flow is my fingers. Better ask by who sent them. Just to terrorize slow niggas with venom and throws down. Yeah, I reckon hit the clubs, go wild. This the introduction, production, no bullshit. Who is this? Spitting like he won with the pulpit. Charismatic, arrogant bastard, slick as a snake. Yeah, I'm laying in the bush, can't wait for you to open. This the introduction, production, no bullshit. Who is this? Spitting like he won with the pulpit. This the introduction, production, no bullshit. Who is this? Spitting like he won with the pulpit. This the introduction. Production, no bullshit. Who is this? Spitting like he won with the pulpit. Charismatic, arrogant bastard, slick as a snake. Yeah, I'm laying in the bush, can't wait for you to overlook me. My fangs are sharp as hell, the flow is my venom. Better ask by who sent them. Just to terrorize slow niggas with venom and throws down. Yeah, I reckon hit the clubs, go wild. The critics say I'm crazy cause the fame just ain't the purpose. I just love irritating, making certain niggas nervous cause they know they don't deserve it. And I'm sounding like they nightmares. Nobody trying to hear you, trust me, real players don't care. Nobody trying to hear you.
DJ Surge Vicious, always nice.
And ain't nobody trying to hear you. Nobody. Ain't nobody trying to hear you.
Watch out how you talking, little buddy. I'm from the south and I surely ain't the youngster just spitting, running this mile, putting MSG in the rhyme. Give a fuck what quarter, I'm consistent all the time. Take you through the underground, lace them up, I show you round. Take you through the jailhouse, take you off at 34th. Most of them niggas got ghosts, meaning that they dead or in jail. You tryna deal, keep on laning with the thing in your hand. Thing on your hip, need a next Houston lyrical genius like Face a Bun. Nobody lied when they told you, little nigga, I am the one. Yeah, I'm rapping, there's some money, but fuck it, I'm having fun. When you flipping with a genius like Preem, hold up, them niggas bump this when they put it in they trucks. Man, Houston know what's happening, niggas better know what's up. Ain't nobody tryna hit to hear you.
DJ Surge Vicious.
Ain't nobody trying to hear you.
Can you dig that?
You know I come around and rock it. I can't be stopped, I won't be stopped.
Nobody trying to hear you.
Can you dig that?
You know I come around and rock it. I can't be stopped, I won't be stopped.
Yeah.
Ain't nobody trying to hear you.
Closer to my element, kicking real hip hop. Back up in headquarters, higher than a treetop. Y'all pussy nigga, we not. Never no time to waste, it's simple, I'm a better take. They do it from initial tapes. Dream of being underground king. Hold it down, fool. They don't wanna see it, and you know them haters doubt you. Now what the fuck can they say? I'm a year-round soldier. Crossing foreign water like the name was Lil Hover. Taking recognition, passions untamed. My style is like a drunkard, sipping, swerving 6 lanes. You call it what you want, I ain't no newbie to the game. And love inflicting pain, a nigga's flow is infinite. Don't nobody feel you. Plus I done tried to told you, ain't nobody trying to hear you.
Man, ain't nobody trying to. Ain't nobody trying to hear you.
Can you dig that?
You know around and rock it. I can't be stopped, I won't be stopped.
Can you dig that?
Ain't nobody trying to hear you.
You know I come around and rock it. I can't be stopped, I won't be stopped.
Nobody trying to hear you. Ain't nobody trying to hear you.
DJ Surge Vicious.
Nice.
Round 2. Fight.
I just go wherever I'm living, it never matters. I'm in line with my dreams, I exhibit it in my patterns. I'm consistent, running back if you ever miss it. Keep it clean, but so raw that it feels explicit. Listen, stay shining, my life forever beams, body MCs and everything between. So respect the queen from Queens, I'm on the scene, and I do all of this in the void that I've seen. I can't pretend to be anything that I'm not. I came to leave a mark, and I will be the brightest spot. I will do it to the day I'm in my grave and start to cry, cause I love it and I feel like it's the only thing I've got. It's the one thing I get right all of the time. I don't write all of the time, but when I'm writing I shine. What I call up in mind, humble yourself. Make sure your arrogance matching your grind. See what I'm fine. It's the time in between that really kills me. This is what I do, can you feel me? See, this is music from the soul, it's the real me. If you wanna steal my flow, you gotta steal me. And even then, I'ma still be shining. Locked in the basement, rhyming, banging on the wall, so my cap toys and keep the perfect
Just know this is just noise. These rappers just boys. Of course, they softer than plush toys. Sure, we think they mature like a fine wine. Word, look at all these Tweety birds up on my timeline. Damn, I'm actually the father to the whole child. Damn, I'm actually the hardest. Check the profile. Advocate for artists like you all in the same gang. The highway wide open while y'all all in the same lane. Word, let's switch it up. Yeah, I know, drop it low. Now let's pick it up, that weak shit, it gotta go. I stay topical, catch me where the hoppers and the boppers go. Crabs in the barrel like Pompadour. Talking about Geronimo, rap facts are much realer. Stop snitching, ain't never been for no drug dealers. Yeah, I said it, get at me if you felt the way. Freedom is the target, take ain't no Leonard Peltier. Yeah. Hey. Yeah, yeah.
Next door she do coke. Chick so old, swear she got a groove back but can't shake a cold. But you got the proof, girl, you did it and been there. No matter the occasion, she just gotta be in there. Ball court surfer, she a dope boy's harlot. Neck game shameless, you better get garlic. Miss Vampires, your blood or your bank code, she'll thank you kindly. Kinda reminds me what's good for the goose is good for the gander. But my gigolo days died with Huey in the news. You want a taste of her, do it and you lose. Vixen, she on that smack. My dogs love it, said she blow cum bubbles out her nose when she swallow. A creed deeper than the shades of Apollo. But that ain't Balboa, that's Bo Constrictor. She don't let her head to her toes restrict her. Shit, fine dining, kiwi, white wine. When she breaks the bank, she bringing out the hammer. Hammer pants, 1,200 a pair. Hammer hair, you can't touch this, boy, don't even go there. She can't cook a hot dog, but she could eat one. Her college orgies like each one, teach one. Her first gangbang on her birthday. 16 canners blew them all in the worst way. But nowadays she sell corporate kitty. In somebody's penthouse in some big city. Laying on her backside, tears in her eyes. Living the life while her dignity dies. Tarnishing the legacy of queens in the tribe. Bonita Applebum, you kinda turn me off. Bonita Applebum, you kinda turn me off. We dead in the summertime, still got a cough. Bonita Applebum, you kinda turn me off. Bonita.
You're in the mix with DJ Sue. Always nice. Always
Flush to be exact. Shit. Fuck the light at the end of the tunnel, cause I'm living for today. Trying not to drown in a bottle. Death all around me, drugs seem to numb me. Mental getting sicker, the devil's getting comfy. Acupuncture with the smoke like a Mesa storm. Legs crossed like a Buddhist, smoking Buddha. Angry tuna, chillin' getting brain from Uma. Used to lose, now everybody kangaroos. Hop off the schnitzel, see me on casino. Smoke the marijuana, always been the same guy. Whether ballin' on the yacht or hauling from the cops, I'm foreign on the fast till I'm swelled up in a box. All you gotta do is see me when you see me. I'm burning bitches from the TV like a CD. I'm trying to live the life in 3D, so you can nibble on my PP. We out in Fiji. From having money on my mind to having money in my pocket. Bone marrow roasted, spread it on the rosemary bread, lightly toasted. Drizzle with the vinaigrette, stuffed Dutchess and it's pulling like a cigarette. Until I'm tan skin, bitches saying that I'm handsome. About to be up on the screen like Ted Danson. Suede loincloth, never fall off. Mr. Wonderful, Paul Orndorff, leather jacket, knee length. Piece of people getting money in the 80s with the free base. First time you get a free taste, that's the start of a career chase. I'm eating cheese plate, skirt steak shaved straight up off the diaphragm. Muay Thai title fights out in Thailand. I spit the fly shit accompanied by fly band. Use the flows that have me diving up in thighs tan. Purple rain, no print, summer solstice. Dope body, but a pussy like an old fish. The anti-posse, it's a cold dish. Hey yo, I'm focused, cash me out in London speaking Polish. Having money on my mind and having money in my pocket. Bone marrow roasted, spread it on the rosemary bread, lightly toasted. Drizzle with the vinaigrette, stuffed Dutchess and it's pulling like a cigarette.
night.
I'm from where the murderers ride. If you heard that I died, you probably visit me shot up and laying on a stretcher. Cause I ain't that die from high blood pressure. My demise in the midst of a crime for pressure. Look at his eyes, he's ready to die. Lord bless him. It is what it's gonna be. Ain't much that worry me. Get down whether it's 20 of us or one of me. Gun boys ride with us. You'll get yacked, pistol whip, go home monitor. You know what time it is. Look, run up, squeeze a couple shots in your shirt. Test your vest out to see if it work. Come, what? Get high, get drunk, go ape. Whoop you out for about 20 minutes straight, then we rotate. Straight put the beats on them, no breaks. Since way back in the days, name her weight. And we still active, still mashing, still inspiring, still shining, still firing. Violence is a universal language. Nah, you done picked the wrong language. We murder ya, BK, get down and dirty as we bang. We give them the whole thing. Violence is a universal language. Nah, you done picked the wrong language. We murder ya, BK, get down and dirty as we bang. We give them the whole thing.
I'm from where the murderers ride. If you heard that I died, you probably picture a hollow bursting out of a nine. It splattered me when it popped, jerked me out of my prime. My family be mad at God, cursing out of the sky. If violence begets violence, and death rules everything around me. Dreams are really nightmares in Kings County. And even though my daughter was born here, slaughter and war go on here. You get wigs blown off here. Let's put a mirror to the violence, an electrifying spirit that defines visionary rides, military signs, dignitary silence. Ambassadors are assassinated from the war room to the block. Assassinations are created, murders are premeditated and orchestrated by symphony conducted, sort of a sword also spraying. The rhythm of the gunshots is like a song is playing, speaking in the same tongue that God like to talk to Satan.
Violence is a universal language. Nah, you done picked the wrong language. We murder ya, BK, get down and dirty as we bang. We give them the whole thing. Violence is a universal language. Nah, you done picked the wrong language. We murder ya, BK, get down and dirty as we bang. We give them the whole thing. And the streets go on, respirator bound, beep, 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 hold on. Next stop, 6 feet deep, so long. YGs, OGs, all of my no heat. Return of the man, and I ain't talking about gold D. We lean on chumps, machine guns jump. Show you the definition of machine gun funk. We pop big hammers, all shapes, all numbers. Push your hairline back, more fervent than Stevie Wonders. I'm from off of one of New York's most dangerous corners. When clean coke, dope, crack, and marijuana. Keep the grass cut low, watch out for the anacondas. It's an old school jewel I learned from the old timers. UWD 40 degrees up them old llamas. Cause every day is a chance and the reapers right behind us. Soon as they catch you slipping, son, you know they gon' remind us. For the real move silent. We talk about violence. It's a universal language. Nah, you done picked the wrong language. We murder ya, BK, get down and dirty as we bang. We give them the whole thing. Violence is a universal language. Nah, you done picked the wrong language. We murder ya, BK, get down and dirty as we bang. We give them the whole thing.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's the News Wonder.
Fire.
It's New York.
Of the world. DJ Serge Vicious.
It's New York.
Always night.
It's New York City. It's New York City.
Rain.
It's New York. New York. Shout. We go.
Always night.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's the News Wonder. It's New York.
Of the world.
New York. It's New York. Ladies and gentlemen,
DJ Serge Vicious. DJ Serge Vicious on the ones and twos.
DJ Serge Vicious. Always nice. Always nice.
it's New York. New York. Shout. We go. Ladies and gentlemen, it's the News Wonder. We go hard. New York. We go hard.
You're in the mix with DJ Serge Vicious. Always nice.
DJ Serge Vicious.
Nice.
We go hard like government cheese, that's all we know. 4, 5, 6 in the mix, it's like CeeLo. Cock back, ready to squeeze, we on reload. Wind chill 40 degrees and that's below. Not afraid to roll up a sleeve, we don't freeload. Slap any corny MC just like Devo. Press pause, we can rewind, I got TiVo. That New York hustle and grind, it's all legal. Swag ain't running with mine, there's no equal. That New York state of mind is all ego. Black, white, Puerto Rican, even
Filipino when we come through your town, lock it down like Nino. Like Robert De Niro did the Ginger in Casino. Might find your body in a desert near Reno. Hear no, see no, speak no, Evo. Don't make me reach for that chrome desert ego.
New York City. New York City. It's New York City. New York, one of the world. New York City.
Yeah, got that. Rozelle, the wild cowboy is here. New York City, the Empire State. New York, look at that.
New York, one of the world.
Okay, the gangs in New York, the fangs in New York, the statue standing tall in pea green water, jails by the mound near the Canadian border, project elevators always out of order. The Jets, Knicks, BK, Queens, Staten Island, and the Mix. 40 dudes had the flicks before Ruby took the booty away. Now that was back in the day. Veteran of the A train, 2, 4, and 5, Jamaica Avenue, Eastern Parkway 2, Puerto Ricans, blacks, Italians, and Mex. Rozelle, I think they need some effects. Home of the Bismarck dance, Duck and Carry, King of Queens, Wu-Tang, Staten Island, Bronx, chicken wings. New York is a piece of them things. From Howard Beach to the County of Kings. New Yorkers don't pull no strings, that's what it is. Rozelle, so these people we mean biz. We want our sandwiches big as his.
New York. Yeah. New York City. New York City. It's New York City. New York, one of the world. New York City. New York City. It's New York City. It's New York City. New York, one of the world. New York
NY City, NY gritty. When New York's putting it down, it ain't pretty. Talk the talk, walk the walk, get witty. Toast the toast, toast the town like Diddy. Make it here, make it anywhere, act spitty. Yellow tape, outline the chalk, no pity. Project rooftops, overlook sub-cities. Sue's rendezvous all the way to Sin City. Better have a stash for the cash for Kitty. In the hood, there's no pass for the meek or giddy. In the city that don't sleep, did he do it or did he? He did it or didn't he? Like Bobby and Whitney. There's 8 million stories in the naked city. The corner liquor store, shot glass and Henny. Juice and Jenny, Grey Goose and Remy. In the land of milk and honey, in the city of plenty, it's New York.
New York City. It's New York City. It's New York City. New York, one of the world. New York City. New York City. It's New York City. It's New York City. New York, one of the world. New York City. 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 Ain't one of the world. New York City. New York City. New York City. Ain't one of the world. New York City. New York City. New York City. Ain't one of the world. New York City. New York City. New York City. The eighth one of the world.
Hey yo, I breathe it and I smoke it. Damn, my routine is chiefin'. As long as I am living, I am fed and who I eat with. 4 splits in the morning, another one for lunch is a great way of walking. I'm running without these crutches. The king of all these bitches. Bitches are not these women. Those are queens I sleep with. I am talking about these spitters. Listen, I am the realest, real, cause I know these artists are garbage and I ain't scared to rip them from where they heart is. Glocks can bust, fuck it. I'm just sitting by the taco truck. Guac's a buck extra, put an extra like the hottest love. Con is up, crack the dust. Blessed if you got some bud. When they don't, they flock to us. Stop it, bruh. Your deal can deal a bag of dicks to your dad and sis. Magic if I rap on it. Feel my dick, rapping it. In a box, spin around your trick stars are backing it. A week later, backing it. Macking till in action, then we act like dicks. Never will I slap a chick. Think about our daughters, how they getting brought up. It's all us. Brunette Australian accent with a Latin ass. Tap the ash out and now back to tapping that.
Pushing up the bottle till there's no more any left. Watch the party. This is how we do.
But it's all old English that I'm bringing from beneath. Y'all just rewind that back if y'all missed it.
Pushing up the bottle till there's no more any left.
By the end of the day, you be on my job.
Yo, let me drop down my pen again. I'm harder than your men and them. No pause needed, all y'all eating up like venison. You're 98 born, trying to make a 90s record. In the 90s, I was known to be great at climbing fences. I'm so godly, just saw my dad this past Wednesday. So motley, we smoking hash on Ash Wednesday. The cushion smoking, you know I got these pussies open. Your minor leaguers feature me to push your hopes in. There is no G's, gents, riff raps if you look for joking. Your rowboats were on roads that were built for motors, flipping over. Drinking whiskey, you just sip your soda. Kitties, I got asses bigger than the bitch of Hovers. I lick the choke jars, flips with coca. The missus over, the sister's mocha. I flip the sofa, tricks the holder in different poses. My dick is growing, it's sick when older. The trick splits and roll up.
Pushing up the bottle till there's no man any left. Bumbush the party. This is how we do. But it's all old English that I'm bringing from beneath. Y'all just rewind that back if y'all miss it. Pushing up the bottle till there's no man any left. By the end of the day, you be on the let's go.
DJ Surge Vicious.
DJ Surge Vicious. Always
You can
nice.
tell my niggas is rich. Rose and Patron at my throne. Woman at my feet. Staring like they want me to beat this New York rap. I'm on the other side of the map. 9-nickel plate strap with a bitch on my lap. Back to back on the FDR. Big cigar. You can tell it's a star in one of these cars. Shit. Shit. Donnie. Shit. Hey yo, Ghostface, what up, son? Ain't nothing, shit. Gorilla Hood here right now. Let's go. Every time we walk in this bitch, jewelry shining, you can tell my niggas is rich. Throne at my throne, woman at my feet, staring like they want me to beat this. Shit, Donnie, shit. Hey yo, Ghostface, what up, son? Ain't nothing, shit. Gorilla Hood here right now. Let's go. Shit, Donnie, shit. Hey yo, Ghostface, what up, son? Ain't nothing, shit. Gorilla Hood here right now. Let's go. We make the club jump every time we walk in this bitch. Jewelry shining, you can tell my niggas is rich. Rose and Patron at my throne, woman at my feet, staring like they want me to beat this New York rap. I'm on the other side of the map. 9-nickel plate strap with a bitch on my lap. Back to back on the FDR. Big cigar, you can tell it's a star in one of these cars. She's a Ghostface, yeah, bird on the wrist, mask on face. Gorillas and miss. Everybody try, but they can't do it like this. This Don and Starks, I bet we won't miss. Hey yo, pull them cars out, we get money over here. Them bottles on the table, the weed in the air. The women staring at us, them haters ice grilling. Woo block, you know we in the building. Pull them cars out, we get money over here. The bottles on the table, the weed in the air. The women staring at us, them haters ice grilling. Woo block, you know we in the building.
Every hood spot, they know me. Loyal females who can't just give me the twat. They show me like I'm a big stockbroker on Wall Street. I said nah, I'm that big drug dealer from 4E. A lot of guacamole, know a lot of parolees. Slung in front of a lot of these delis, eating cannolis. I stay on the front line like private events in airports and live by the code. I'ma bust mine. Word, tone star. Shorty Wop got a tongue in my ear. Don't get a stain on my paw sharp. Light skin, says she a Virgo. Says she love my roll game and my Virgil. A baby ghost appeared from the blunt smoke. It lingered through her hair and set in the hood clothes. Her bag fell and saw a 38 snub nose. I stole that and still fucked her when the club closed. Pull the cars out, we getting money over here. The bottles on the table, the weed in the air. The women staring at us, the haters ice grilling. Woo block, you know we in the building. Pull the cars out, we get money over here. The bottles on the table, the weed in the air. The women staring at us, the haters ice grilling. Woo block, you know we in the building.
Shitty on your face, 100 stacks on a car. If I spin a rack today, get that rack back tomorrow. I'm a cash ruler zigzag galore. Get my money off the hook like I'm Abdul-Jabbar. Get my money off the book like Steve Harvey and frauds. Act hard, but they isn't. They think like a man, but they act like they women. I never trust the broad with that in God we trust. Only trust in God. Look at me, I'm what these little haters want be. I'm your man, 50 grand and keep it 100 G. I'm that block on fire, it's like 103. Rappers come a dime a dozen, but they don't come in the peas. You're bound to meet a few rats when you come in with cheese. And the people you come up with, they be coming to me's. We got the city under siege. We're the tightest dungarees.
Pull the cars out, we getting money over here. The bottles on the table, the weed in the air. The women staring at us, the haters ice grilling. Block, you know we in the building. Pull the cars out, we getting Money over here, the bottles on the table, the weed in the air, the room is staring at us. The haters ice grilling, blue block, you know we in the building.
DJ Serge Vicious, always nice.
Now this be that laser razor, spit sharp, rib cage punch, rap that lean 'em like the Notre Dame hunchback. Yak and that green leaf in the sack, together form crack. I be boy on track within the format, lay it down like a format, fall back on the bull sack. Now this be that laser razor, spit sharp, rib cage punch, rap that lean 'em like the Notre Dame hunchback. Yak and that green leaf in the sack, together form crack. I be boy. Now this be that laser razor, spit sharp, rib cage punch, rap that lean 'em like the Notre Dame hunchback. Yak and that green leaf in the sack, together form crack. I be boy. Now this be that laser razor, spit sharp, rib cage punch, rap that lean 'em like the Notre Dame. Now this be that laser razor, spit sharp, rib cage punch, rap that lean 'em like the Notre. Now this be that laser razor, spit sharp, rib cage punch, rap that lean 'em like the Notre Dame. Now this be that laser razor, spit sharp, rib cage punch, rap that lean 'em like the Notre Dame hunchback. Yak and that green leaf in the sack, together form crack. I be boy on track within the format, lay it down like a floor mat, fall back on the ball sack when I cross hat street scriptures, making the weak catch conniptions. I pimp chicks that think it's all about the Benjamins. Enter in the zone of the man that pimp owns for your life. On the mic, get it on, all the right song right, producing DJ and will bust a windmill still while letting the heat spray.
Word, man, motherfuckers don't want it with us, man. Shit's just begun though. Come on, man.
I got red Puma sweats, chains on my neck, 4-finger rings, coke on deck, crack in the stash, pockets full of cash, police on the roof, cameras on flash, B-boys breaking up on the corner, head spins get better when you on a marijuana, old school Warner, bitching out the window, mad cause her husband out of dope, she's a widow, radio too loud, hear the girls laughing, Coke 45, little bit of acid, Studio 54, down to the Roseland, if you break night, cop a 20 off the post, man.
Word up, man. Yo, we take it to the floor in a second though, man. Telling you.
Came from the wrong side, anthem for that grab shit. Marking up your transit with ties, panel antics. Good in all elements, cardboard specialists. Windbreakers, Adidas, we war for battle settlements. 4 tracks and great beats, impeach the president. SB 1200 drums, triggers never hesitant. 950 engaged and samples all stressed out. Skull snaps 808, pieces all sketched out. East Coast stomping and straight out of Compton. 40-ounce Philly blunt, streets by the option. Low boost drop, pumpkin goose in 116. Branson and Butterfly, Green Street Precinct.
See, man, I love this boom bap shit, man. It's my shit, man. It's a B-boy shit. Large Pro, my man Nutso, Elder Sensei. Oh, man. DJ Doom on the beat. Tony Touch right here, man. And I approve this message. Jimmy Castor, rest in peace. Let's go.
Round 3. Fight.
Yo, Large Pro.
DJ Serge Vicious.
You're in the mix with DJ Serge Vicious. Always nice.
I'm honest. And with them grays in your beard, you look even more like a genius. Queen shit. Let me talk to him, XP. Yo, Flushing Meadow Park, Drama Heights, A-Store. We play baseball, then we slang 8 balls. Mission impossible. Alley caddy shot niggas, got shot too, locked at the hospital. Jamaica Ave, chicken patty with the cocoa bread. I know Jamaicans on drugs, call them cocoa heads. Chicks looking at the front door, always want more. So I got drugs and pump more. This is probably my philosophy, geography, ecology, biology, psychology. I used to spit Gillette razors, hand in hand with my back of Sandman, we made papers. Fish scale from Jackson Heights, Colombians. I at 61 was raised with no Republicans. And I don't mean to get all political, but Mick Romney don't plan to do shit for you.
What the theory is, sunlight to one at night, we the areas. Tell them what it really is. Built pyramids, ground up from the streets. It's that Q talk serious. What the theory is, sunlight to one at night, we the areas. Tell them what it really is. Built pyramids, ground up from the streets.
Second verse, yeah. See, I'm a student of the game, how I pay attention. You so poor that you can't afford to pay attention. Catch me downtown by LES, or up in Flatbush, Fort Greene by DYS. Who you be with? My niggas I was locked up and sparking with. Killers that'll kill killers, marvelous. I know niggas never used a gun but got bodies. You can do the math, go and ask who you ask. A1, nigga since day one, just ask. G-Shock watch flooded with the black diamonds. Louboutins with the spikes is for weirdos. I'm a hood nigga, I don't wear those. Still a Dapper Dan design, still immaculate.
Gucci ain't make that but it's they fabric. And still I get cabbage with punch style, gold piece Lazarus. Okay.
What the theory is, sunlight to one at night, we the areas. Tell them what it really is. Built pyramids, ground up from the streets. It's that Q talk serious. What the theory is, sunlight to one at night, we the areas. Tell them what it really is. Built pyramids, ground up from the streets.
Yeah.
It's that Q talk serious.
Yo, you wanna fly in the city, you gotta go to Queens. Fly out of the city, you gotta come to Queens. My borough brother John Gotti and other killers, big drug dealers, wild ball players. Lamar Odom, world peace artist. Kenny Anderson, Kenny Smith, left rack the best. Yeah, Rayford Austin, Anthony Mason, Mark Jackson on the layup line, they got action. Supreme Court where I fought. But these ball player niggas rep Queens on the court. Talik and Kamani could've made it. And Raheem Manchild, the fucking hood favorite. Orchestrated, sorta related. Black and Puerto Rican, like Los, we stayed faded. Cause, yeah, on the real to the real. On the real to the real.
What the theory is, sunlight to one at night, we the areas. Tell them what it really is. Built pyramids, ground up from the streets. It's that Q talk serious. What the theory is, sunlight to one at night, we the areas. Tell them what it really is. Built pyramids, ground up from the streets. It's that Q talk serious.
We doing ours. We doing ours. Yeah. We doing ours.
DJ Surge Vicious.
Always nice.
We doing ours. The 5% is going to do their job in the poor part of the planet Earth. See, we're going to be building. We're going to build a black nation that's going to be all wise and righteous.
Stay set, sequel in the making. 360, my beliefs in the nation. These twist me, they peep reparations with a real nigga orbit, I speak education. So explicit, mixing with quantum physics. Gifted with dawn linguistics, sitting bomb bitches. Palm biscuits, a youngin' was artistic. Omniscience, fly since the garment district. Eccentric, inflicting with the proper diction. Compositions consistent, no competition. Christian, by my folks out on Park Slope. Cigar smoke, stay awoke through a law quotes. Cope with the crimes and the petty minds. Steady grind, let them rhyme, Betty shine. Bessie time, VVS it cause it's naked. Exposed to despot, can't respect it when he dyslexic. Epic, keep the soldiers and the suckers separate. Respect it, don't speak on women that I slept with. Check it, been ordained since my first chain. And my attribute, substituted my birth name. Words exchange, frequencies divide. Some will prefer fame, others lead and guide. Decide, confessions of the lost lessons. And my possessions keep a stressing nigga guessing. Question the die greatest, if in doctrine, wild wakers. High haters, I'm back off of hiatus.
Nice, you're in the mix with DJ Surge Vicious. Always nice.
Always
the
nice.
unseen spectre
DJ Surge Vicious.
the metropolis. Watch as they meet the ghost.
DJ Surge Vicious.
There.
Stand by.
Nasty looking fellow, isn't he? Wait a
Stand
minute.
by.
I've seen him somewhere before. Nah.
Stand by.
Savagely attack. Savagely attack. Savagely attack.
I'm sick, flow quarantined by the CDC. Heads nod, pressure on your neck like a DDT. Beat Street Ramo, spitting on your name. Rhymes travel on the ground like it's written on the train. My position in the game, top dog, rock hard. Fuck with everybody in your hood, just not y'all basic. Live broadcast from the ER. We are talk of the town without the PR. Savagely attacked us, rap master craftsman. Pack 'em in, twisting on the floor like a backspin. After him, y'all had to deal with the sun and deck. One of the best that hasn't done it yet. Killer B, chopping up the track like a Dilla B. Professor X couldn't test my ability. I came the motherfucking roof like heavy snow. Act like I told you before, y'all already know.
Savagely attack. Savagely attack. Savagely attack. Savagely attack.
Now, target made.
Hey yo, ES reps. I wrote this in a GS Lex 95 to get that 90s vibe, my melody. High low fidelity darts, my whole team 730 like when Jeopardy starts. I can't call it, unless we call my style diabolic. I'm a riderholic. I drink ink till I vomit. I think till I'm catatonic and sink with a bag of chronic. I'm bringing the mad demonic style. All these rappers wanted. I'm bizarre, but bizarre bars cut you like a scimitar. Wichita State, X-Man, I execute you, you a dead man. God willing, I'm a non-villain, getting top billing with my squad chilling. Blood on the tracks like Bob Dylan, die like a mob killing. We already know the ropes, we be stepping over ropes. Andre the Giant looking down at you local folks. Oh, he don't motorize vocals here at practice. Raised on a tape the same color as Galactus.
Savagely attack. Savagely attack. Savagely attack. Savagely attack.
Mr. Ghost. We meet again, eh?
Yeah.
Savagely attack.
Yo, look out. Attack like a nigga on back song. Look out. Attack like a nigga on back songs. Eat his face off, leave his body on ass. Yo, look out. Attack like a nigga on back songs. Eat his face off, leave his body on asphalt. Rampant. Run through your town on attack mode. Savagely leave him broomstick in the ass. Yo, look out. Attack like a nigga on back songs. Eat his face off, leave his body on asphalt. Rampant. Run through your town on attack mode. Savagely leave him broomstick in the asshole. Cobra clutch the icky and stick to the dust skin. Throw a mask on and go in. I'm a terror. Tuck a gym star, a new era. Walk around with two bats like I'm Yogi Berra. Or Murph from Sin City, rock and roll is a trench. My trip is black, I have you ducking under the bench. The stench of dead bodies, thoughts of mutilation bring you closer to God in a tight situation. Or thrown in the back of the truck of sanitation. I'm ruthless, my technique is Chinese torture. No RVs hanging out of your vein to support you. Everybody's talking about how the ghost caught you. Have a 5-year-old kill your ass for a quarter.
At Tony Stark's office, there is a new development.
Reptile.
Iron Man. Red alert.
DJ Surge Vicious.
You will die, mortal.
DJ Surge Vicious. Always nice.
Nice.
They took permanent vacation in hell, if you know what I mean.
Wow, I must have been away too long because my feelings are dead. I feel no remorse.
Global state of mind, I'm seeing far beyond my nose. 10 years from now, I'll still be around, spitting my flows. 10 years from now, you be a memory that no one knows. I don't feel sorry for you niggas, my feelings are cold. Global state of mind, I'm seeing far beyond my nose. 10 years from now, I'll still be around, spitting my flows. 10 years from now, you be a memory that no one knows. I don't feel sorry for you niggas, my feelings are cold. Global state of mind, I'm seeing far beyond my nose. 10 years from now, I'll still be around, spitting my flows. Global state of mind, I'm seeing far beyond my nose. 10 years from now, I'll still be around, spitting my flows. Global state of mind, I'm seeing far beyond my nose. 10 years from now, I'll still be around, spitting my flows. Global state of mind, I'm seeing far beyond my nose. 10 years from now, I'll still be around, spitting my flows. Global state of mind, I'm seeing far beyond my nose. 10 years from now, I'll still be around, spitting my flows. 10 years from now, you be a memory that no one knows. I don't feel sorry for you niggas, my feelings are cold. People dying, life goes on, it's nothing you could do about it, just be strong, yeah. Dead weight niggas try to pull you down with them. They like psychic vampires, suck the life out you. Mentally I'm focused, think like a Marine. Hoorah, I ride or die for shit that I believe like. Nobody can stop me, I'm the illest rapper probably on the earth. Niggas copy a line that I draw. These rappers is frauds, my artwork expensive, they cannot afford. RSVP, circa 2012, dead nigga try to stop me, give them hell. Oh word, they put the hit out on me, give them hell. They wanna threaten my well-being, give them hell. They tell Satan throw some heat rocks up for the world's most hottest rapper, spitting flames like a volcano. Yeah, they wanna turn on me, give them hell. They wanna stretch me out in the street, give them hell. Tell Satan throw some heat rocks up for the world's most hottest rapper, spitting flames like a volcano. Ayo, they know I blow a nigga away like tornadoes. Niggas with me, they move whenever I say so. Watch out for the D's, unmarked cars and plain clothes. Niggas must be crazy, they gone off their yayo. Maybe smoking stones, I don't know, I'll be okay though. I'm God's soldier, devil's apostle, it's harvest time. You reap what you sow when you cross the line. It's beyond repair. I'm so beyond fear. Shit is childish. Do what you must. Niggas beware. I am slippery when wet off that maldehyde. Smoke a Dutch full of dust. Pull a homo. Niggas wouldn't side with you if they knew what I know. I can see you bullshit niggas with my eyes closed. I got a deadly rap, so these jokers wanna ruin my time. I handle that. Oh word, they put the hit out on me, give them hell. They wanna threaten my well-being, give them hell. And tell Satan throw some heat rocks up for the world's most hottest rapper, spitting flames like a volcano. Yeah, they wanna turn on me, give them hell. They wanna stretch me out in the street,
give them hell. Tell Satan throw some heat rocks up for the world's most hottest rapper, spitting flames like a volcano.
You're in the mix with DJ Surge Vicious. Always nice.
Coming up, they told me love was the message, but somebody ain't get the memo if they left it. Kids at the table can't feed them love for breakfast. Wife says she love a new pair of shoes and a necklace. So what's a real nigga to do when the masses get asked if they love what you do? And over half that they ask got rebuttals like who? We ain't heard you on the radio, dude, but not exactly. Coming up, they told me love was the message, but somebody ain't get the memo if they left it. Kids at the table can't feed them love for breakfast. Wife says she love a new pair of shoes and a necklace. Coming up, they told me love was the message, but somebody ain't get the memo if they left it. Kids at the table can't feed them love for breakfast. Wife says she love a new pair of shoes and a necklace. Coming up, they told me love was the message, but somebody ain't get the memo if they left it. Coming up, they told me love was the message, but somebody ain't get the memo if they left it. Coming up, they told me love was the message. Coming up, they told me love was the message. Coming up, they told me love was the message. Coming up, they told me love was the message. Coming up, they told me love was the message, but somebody ain't get the memo if they left it. Kids at the table can't feed them love for breakfast. Wife says she love a new pair of shoes and a necklace. So what's a real nigga to do when the masses get asked if they love what you do? And over half that they ask got rebuttals like who? We ain't heard you on the radio, dude, but not exactly. The real hip-hop be coming on real late, and half the shit they got in rotation is real fake. And all the real fans supporting is real faint, and that's how your real love can turn into real hate. But this music shit, it ain't nothing like it. Gotta love the rush that you get when you feel inspired. Loving how the crowd will react when you recite it. Gotta love it even days when you despise it. I swear ain't nothing like it.
DJ Surge Vicious.
DJ Surge Vicious.
But love can't pay these bills, so please believe I'm here to get these meals. Got me asking what's love? And love it how you stressing for sure, so love don't live here no more. Got me asking what's love? I got niggas that love how to truly spit, and I know niggas that love doing foolishness. Used to think I would love to be in the music biz, but now I'm asking what's love got to do with it? Politics, kickbacks, favoritism, mishaps. Niggas getting hired and fired, then push your shit back like the hairline on LeBron. You here now when you on, go to sleep and wake up and you be hearing that you gone. Another love TKO, totally killing your output if you ain't know. You gotta grind like you making love, love like you made it come. There's love out here on this court, come and get you some. You niggas asking where's the love? That ain't love in the video and love in the club. Labels loving your movement and loving your buzz, then bring you in for the meeting, preaching love ain't enough. But this music shit, it ain't nothing like it. Whitney overdosed and Dion became a psychic. Michael medicated and Ron Osley indicted. Gotta love it even if you didn't like it. I swear ain't nothing like it. But love can't pay these bills, so please believe I'm here to get these meals. Got me asking what's love? And love it how you stressing for sure, so love don't live here no more. Got me asking what's love?
Good Lord, I know these ladies love luxury. That's laminated at the top of the list, but look, luckily, at least when my lungs were lacerated, I never behaved scorn, I gave a sworn affidavit. When I hit rock bottom like Goliath after David, literally when these lame labels litigated, I liberated my life with love and levitated and left every lyric I laid completely obliterated. What's being on top with no options, and you can't operate orally without oxygen? I was still in petty cash when they would pass the offering around on Sundays. That's when I knew I hit my optimum. Low, but I still gotta stand and know, you know? I guess who really needs to know? I guess the oodles of O's will never grow unless you use your noodle, they quadruple like voodoo. Vanguard, verbally, victory won't visit you when your vibes violated and adverts are not visible. And vocally the volume's muted, very devoted, but every conversation convoluted. Epilogue editor, my etiquette elicited, my effort exponentially expands when solicited. The EMCEE, you know you have to say it twice, but only if you nice, cause it's nothing like, it's nothing like.
But love can't pay these bills, so please believe I'm here to get these meals. Got me asking what's love. And love but how you stressing for sure, so love don't live here no more. Got me asking what's love.
DJ Surge Vicious.
DJ Surge Vicious.
Always nice.
We show up, you run.
Scorpion wins. Flawless victor fatality.
Dice game, man.
Sub-Zero. Test your might.
Yo. Detroit. Yeah. Okay. When I spark the heat, fools jump over walls like a parkour. I spit darker from a place where you couldn't see a hand in front of your face. I'm trying to tell your mans he running in place. I'm moving, success is something to taste, and failure tastes shitty. I tend to my 9 like 850. Your outcome ain't pretty. I know I gotta go, but there's plenty to take with me. The cards ain't fair. No matter the hand, I'll always keep prepared. All that I have is those in the words I chose to share before it's lights out upstairs. Doing the art in heaven with our Father. Until then, the on-point Arthur sword got sharper. What? I vow to never hustle backwards. Don't ask me if I heard another rapper. Fuck them all.
DJ Surge Vicious. Always nice.
Detroit.
Fool, you are nothing. I am Shao Kahn. Bow to me.
Yo. Set a date, my faction fractions. You'll get 1/4 against your 7 and 7/8 size fitted. Guilty, I did it. My crew stronger than a 300. We do 'em in 5 minutes, second to none. My side win it, I get it like I never had it. I'm a ghetto hazard. Whatever's hot, I'ma level past it. Concrete words in my epitaplet. Stone speech, I roam streets where the strangers don't speak. And whole heat, I got connects from NY to Long Beach. They'll react and put a patch on a slow leak. Detroit, my attitude's no gratitude. Back with your gorillas on banana food. Unload clips, scatter crews on the avenues. Snot MCs fucking with my attributes.
DJ Surge Vicious.
Always nice.
Sub-Zero wins fatality.
Yeah. Brand new. 2012.
More money. More money, more power, more guns, I cop nigga.
Look, Dunny, I'm on it all day, Marvin. When I ain't got the piff, man, I light up that Lawton. On any given day, I can light up the garden. And I don't run the city, but believe me, I'm ballin'. The fucking favorite rapper, cause I'm better than all of them. And I don't need to be, but MCs, I slaughtered them. Don't hate the player, cause you pimpin', I'm Jordan. Homie, check your chick, when I get her, I'm scoring. Man, I
more money, more power, more guns, I cop nigga.
Look, Dunny, I'm on it all day, Marvin. When I ain't got the piff, man, I light up that Lawton. On any given day, I can light up the garden. And I don't run the city, but believe me, I'm ballin'. The fucking big
money, more power, more guns, I cop nigga.
Look, Dunny, I'm on it all day, Marvin. When I ain't got the piff, man, I light up that Lawton. On any given day, I can light up the garden. And I don't run the city, but believe me, I'm ballin'. The fucking favorite rapper, cause I'm better than all of them. And I don't need to be, but MCs, I slaughtered them. Don't hate the player, cause you pimpin', I'm Jordan. Homie, check your chick, when I get her, I'm scoring. Man, I give her pipe the way she like, it's a warning. Have her walking funny early like it's morning. The chick wanna slide with the kids, so I fucked her. Listen, I did it, cause I'm a bad motherfucker, a gangster, one that won't hesitate with the banger. I rep wings like Pone and Noriega. Your boys stay high, burning Dutchies from the bodega. And giving the finger to all you haters, nigga.
More money, more power, more guns, I cop nigga.
Look, homie, don't get it twisted, I'm the boss man. You know me, I'm about to green like in Boston. See me in the street rocking jewels and I'm flossing. Try to stick me, you
gon' find yourself a coffin. Ashes to ashes, fuck bastards. Mac Millie spray shit, I'm trying to spray all of them. Action man, he tell you that nigga don't fuck with him. Slick like the ruler and pack the Ruger often. His hand over fist, fuck a bitch and leave her walking. Leave her heartbroken, ass open and she hawking. Tell her look bitch, get a grip cause you loking. Niggas know I'm dope and they keep on hating. Don't leave me with nothing less but come through with the fucking gun blazing. These fools trying to front in your dude like I'm some sucker. So I introduce him to the fucking box cutter. Like nigga, you ain't know it's Queens to the death. And we thuggin' on that Colombian necktie shit, nigga.
More money, more problems, more guns, I cop
Better make moves for the kid, quick. You know I bring the goons in this bitch, dick. You know how they be scheming and shit, nigga fiend in the flip. So I advise you, tuck the chain, kid. Make a move on your chick if you slip. You know how them Jews and the whips get them wet. Yeah. I mean, if I lean on the kid, I'ma get it to the crib. And I love her, rip scream out of bitch. You know, the more goons you got, the more bodies to drop. And the more hating you do, the more parties I rock. And I don't be up in the spot without the hammer cock. And when my dudes up in here, we got the party locked. You know the chicks love the kid, cause the swag I got. And it ain't tricking if you got it, then I got a lot. They say I be wild and then I thug a lot. So what part you don't get, cause we getting guap, nigga.
More money, more problems, more guns, I cop
Better make moves for the kid, quick. You know I bring the goons in this bitch, dick. You know how they be scheming and shit, nigga fiend in the flip. So I advise you, tuck the chain, kid. Make a move on your chick if you slip. You know how them Jews and the whips get them wet. I mean, if I lean on the kid, I'ma get it to the crib. And I love to rip a scream out of bitch.
I rule this world. You will die, mortal. That was pathetic.
You're in the mix with DJ Serge Vicious. Always nice.
You weak, pathetic fool.
You know, I guessed that you would be the only one who would dare to come here. You've got courage. Before you get a chance to fight with me, you must observe our rules and beat these two swordsmen first.
Yeah, yo, what you know about stepping out the crib like this 20,000 and all fives? Dust still in the fridge. Either or, yo, I rock like a meteor. Bitches know when the kid's high, cause I fuck with the TV on. Wintertime blow, Harry Sway boxes. Petite fillers for the whole team, 8 watches. Ladies and gents, watch me. Every line is snake venom, creeping up on your brain like a Ceterin. Blowing out veterans with a speech impediment. So underground, I stay beneath the crevices. Bitter wars over coke stores, Arabian jewelers. Keep hitting me off for the cause. Sheiks, wealthy princes and Ayatollahs. All I gotta do is kick a verse, they like holers. You my nigga done, work to the light on the Phoenix sun. Want you to take my daughter, give your queen a son.
To meet me? That's right. I have heard you're the master of dragon's claws. Right. Maybe. But try me.
NY fitted, Jordan 13s on the feet. Splash blood on my threads, how I murder the beat. Like medicine to infants out of they reach. In a charcoal 7 with the Chardonnay seats. Now my name ring. I played the pawn and bear the storm, now I'm made king. I wave my arm and they respond, stay gone off the haze and dawn. Game long like triple overtime, overtime stay strong. The great one, fake none, put it on the Bible. See me face to face, look me in my eyes, two Spartacus flow. Stroke rookies in the vitals, only time I go soft. Broad pussy on the cycle, your highness. INS darts catch a body, and all a nigga saw was the sparks from the Tommy. Poppy spit the fist scale raw, copping poly. Big brother Raleigh on deck, got it right.
It's like a holy grail cop, documented in my sentence. Around the edges, show my pledges of my life beginning. From born bloody, sworn ugly to a garlic finish. To naysayers throwing stones, hoping I'll diminish. The skies open till I rose to 3 or 4 dimensions. With great wings, less than a doubt as the grave bring. The afterlife chapters I write with great
kings and spiritual forms, hearing from beyond. They talk to me through a cloth kufi, lost beauty, and I'll admit through gems of life, I'm lost jury. Amongst the land dwellers, never trust what a man to tell you. They give you stone for bread, you found dead when no dog will smell you. Pass your acid in your liquor glasses when they pour it. Have you throwing up blood in toilets? Just a week ago, you spotted them walking with your enemy and you recall it. It wasn't me mugging, they were talking, plotting on you. But God made me unnormal. Y'all die, we rise, breathing immortal.
Always
It
nice.
has been more than 6 years since our dynasty was overthrown by the Republic. But our people are still suffering. I am determined to reorganize this country, to help our people by overthrowing the Republic. So help me to regain our position, and we will overcome the Republicans.
Your soul is mine.
Perfect. You win.